Well, that was the longest border crossing, wasn't it, so far? I don't know why they looked at every single page of your thing. But, hey,
Do we drive on the left or the right?
the right. We're in Greece, baby! And this one is Greece. So it would have been rude not to have tried out the national drink. There it goes. Graceful as ever. It was a beautiful evening when we arrived, and Matt couldn't resist having a dip in the sea adjacent to the campsite, and we watched the sun go down on the beach. But we had no idea what this was saying. It was all Greek to me. Made it to the top, having gone all the way down to come back up the other side. Turn the video off for this one. Gardens at the top. Where's our campsite? The other side of that rock?
The other side.
Yeah.
This is Kalabaka.
Kalabaka, yeah.
Hello, me going up to a viewing platform to hopefully get some sort of aerial shots of Meteora. What a view from up here. See the monastery behind me where we're going shortly. Two monasteries down there, and there's two monasteries over there. So we've done two, four left to go. Blue I found.
Hello. It's the next monastery on the road. Don't know how many steps there are for this one, but we'll sure find out. That's the viewing point that we were at a little while ago. And there's the first monastery that we visited. You can't see the second one. Thank you. Seen a couple of these things. I really have no idea. Another day, another monastery. So this is a thimandro, and
This is a hammer.
to call to prayer.
And
Each
it rings
one's a different size.
Yeah.
So we'll ring it a different
time, or
time.
for different.
prayers. Ring them on. And
then
this
this
is
wood
called
here.
a tlamandro.
And there's the hammer.
There's the hammer, and
And
again
it
that's
strikes
called
the
for
wood,
prayer as well.
and it makes different tone for different times of the day.
So that answers the question that we had yesterday. There he is.
So I've got pebbles here to pull on and then stand on when I get high enough. I'm right at this bolt there, and the next bolt is over there. So I've got to climb up, stand on there, reach up to there and clip that bolt. That's the theory, but not a bad place to go rock climbing, is it? A few monasteries about, looking after me. A bit higher up now, done that sequence down there, then another little sequence. This uses this pocket here, finger pocket, that stone there, and that stone over there, and then there's a bolt there, but there's not a fat lot for the feet, little tiny little pebbles here and there. So we'll just see how this section goes. Okay, I'm at the top of this bit. We've got a ring bolt here to be lowered off on. Big slab to finish, which we were able to run up quite quickly. And there's the view. Fabulous. Absolutely fabulous. So, climbing at Meteora. Oh, two routes now. We ended up doing 5 routes in total. Exquisite slabs. But yeah, there's one of the monasteries, and there's still the monastery over at the top. Another one through that gap. Very nice indeed. Hello. Hello. We're out on a hike today. This particular hike, Route E4 up Mount Olympus.
Going to the top.
2-day trip to the top. We're going up to the refuge and then returning to the van. Going up and still we're following this path.
It was about a 2-hour hike though, didn't it?
Yeah.
I guess all this donkey crap is the donkeys bringing the stuff up the mountain to the refuge.
Yes, it's supplying the refuge. Hello. We've made it to the refuge, but we were told by a gentleman who was on the way down, we were coming still, that it was closed, and it is. Down now.
Yeah, finally. It was a
Long
hike. So 2.5 hours up and 2.5 hours down.
Yeah. We're at the Aegean
And we hadn't checked the battery and the camera died. But we had a lovely morning swim anyway. Customs, yeah. Yeah. So,
Greek Albanian border
yeah.
over there.
Yeah.
Continue on the 86.
Yeah, I think we might have to get out. Camping to Albania will do the trick, won't it?
Have we got stamps?
Yeah, I've got some. Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, so that's come out of Greece,
That
yeah.
was Greece.
Yeah.
Oh, we haven't done Albania.
And here's Albania. But we have a bit of a queue with Albania.
Hello.
You have a nice day.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye. We're back in Albania. We drove to Lake Ohrid where we spent 2 nights just chilling before driving through torrential rain back to Skop Turk. Mugi treated us to another bowl of apple crumble and custard, and nature treated us to a beautiful sunset. We've now arrived to take the ferry over to Italy this evening, but we thought we'd have a walk around first, see what it's like. This is one of the old parts of Durrës, and it's the Venetian Tower. It was rebuilt in 2020 after it was destroyed by an earthquake in 2019. Okay, so we're at the site of the Roman amphitheatre here, which was built in the 2nd century. It would have housed 15 to 20,000 spectators attending matches between the gladiators. Wow, a lot of people.
The port of Durrës, it's 10 to 5
Nearly dark.
on the 9th of November. Just been into the port terminal building, and there is a little kiosk in there where you can get a coffee. There is some internet, whether that's available out here, but we're going to go back to the van and make our own coffee.
Yeah.
whilst waiting to be summoned to the ferry. We've just parked up on the ferry and we had to come up a big ramp. We're outside our room. We've been given the keys and we are room
7,003.
7003.
I don't think there's that many rooms on here.
So let's have a look, see what we've got. A room of bunk beds, 2 seats, big window seat, and bathroom. We have a shower. Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Here we go down the ramp.
Once we've got this border crossing done, it's the last one until we get home.
It is, isn't it? We have to show our passports
Yep.
and get stamped out of the Schengen zone. Oh, but it's a stupid set of circumstances.